Nature, Stonehenge, Easter Island, lay-by lines, demarcations of the Earth's energy, stone, formation, mysteries of the universe, the key, unraveling, security, big stone thingy. The tunnel speaks with a voice that penetrates deep into the human psyche. The echo speaks from the soul. Hello? Hello? Universally poignant. Gaylord! Does the swing swing in the wind? Or does the wind swing in the swing? Or does the swing wind in the swing? Or does the wind swing in the wind? Or does the wind sing in the cat? Or does that cat have wind? The timeless voices of the trees have ever whispered to unheeding man. A clap of thunder. Seek to be the blade of grass and not the mighty oak, for when the wind comes, the grass will bend where the oak will break. A breeze shakes the stray wood. Your wallet will have no clue when your dog doesn't poo. No parking. That